A promise by the former premier to eliminate the patient registry wait list by April 2025 will not be happening. In fact, the list actually has about 10,000 more people on it than when he made the pledge in 2023. It currently has about 37,000 Islanders, and one of them is slowly losing hope. She's been on the patient registry since 2012. At the time, she had a nurse practitioner. In 2020, because of her complex medical needs, she felt she needed a physician, and now she has no healthcare provider at all.
I thought, okay, I'll come back to PEI with my young family. I'll just call up one of the good old doctors here, or the one we had when we left, and say, hey, we moved back, and we'll be fine. 13 years on the wait list. I feel I made the most disastrous choice for my health.
Health P.E.I says that's not acceptable. The CEO says the PC promise was likely overly ambitious. The population is growing. Doctors are retiring. Getting a grip on the waitlist is hard. But she says the recent work is making a dent. In March, 837 people signed up for the registry. 911 got providers.
So the numbers are actually telling us they're not getting further apart anymore. So that's the good news. So we have been able to wrap our hands around it. I would say we're not winning yet, but we're at that tipping point where we're starting to see the momentum in the right direction.
The results aren't always full circle, though. Kayla Shorman recently graduated as a nurse practitioner and is getting ready to take on patients of her own. She's been on the list for about 5 years and still has no one to care for her.
Some of those people wait 10 years before they see somebody, so I know I'm a long way off from getting one. I'm happy to wait my turn. But if I'm in this situation, there are people who, have complex disease, who don't understand our healthcare as well as I do, who are definitely struggling more than I do.
The CEO says she doesn't believe the wait list will ever be zero, but she's aiming to connect 10,000 people to providers this year. For those on the registry, all they can do is wait, but Garnham says she's not getting her hopes up this time. Sheehan, Desjardins, CBC News, Charlottetown.